Is your money safe with a neobank like Neon? It's a question many people ask as they consider making the switch from a traditional bank. The world of digital banking offers incredible convenience, but it's natural to wonder about security. The first thing to understand is that Neon isn't a bank in the traditional sense. It's a digital-only financial services company that partners with a licensed, established bank. In Neon's case, that partner is Hypothekarbank Lenzburg, a well-regarded Swiss institution. This partnership is crucial for your peace of mind. This means your money isn't just sitting with a tech company, it's held in an actual Swiss bank account. This provides a significant layer of protection. Specifically, your deposits are protected by the Swiss Deposit Insurance Scheme up to 100,000 Swiss francs. This is the same level of security you get with any other Swiss bank. So if you're concerned about the institution itself, the money is backed by a traditional, regulated bank. Now, let's talk about the app and the day-to-day security. Neon uses modern security features like two-factor authentication. You'll need your personal login code, and for transactions, a separate PIN. The app also supports biometric logins, like fingerprint or Face ID, so your account is locked down to your device. Data privacy is another key factor. Neon keeps all customer data in Switzerland, which is known for its strong privacy laws. They also use the latest cybersecurity measures, including regular security tests, to ensure the app is well protected. Of course, no system is foolproof. As with any digital service, you have a role to play. Using a strong PIN, enabling biometric security, and being cautious about sharing your login information are all critical steps. So, is Neon safe for everyday banking? Yes. The combination of a regulated partner bank, deposit protection, and robust in-app security features makes it a secure choice. The digital-first model allows for great features and low fees, but the foundational security is rooted in a traditional and trusted system.